Hi guys, today I'm going to talk about After Effects. It's a really cool software to create motional graphics, things like that. Sometimes it's so easy to do videos instead of just draw layers on a board or something else. So today is just the introduction. Let's start. Okay, so when you open up After Effects, you will find out, even though it's made by Adobe, it's actually the most complex software from Adobe. Okay, if you just simply look at their interface, you see how many buttons they have, right? All kinds of stuff. Okay, and how many panels they have, right? And you can also like pull up a lot of windows from there, right? For example, this alignment, right? When you click, then you have alignments down here. Okay, a lot of tools are similar with Illustrator, things like that, but you still got a lot of stuff. Okay, the first thing you need to understand is projects, because every time you work with After Effects, you want to create a project first. Okay, so see here, you go to File and go to New and just a new project. Your project created. Okay, so once you have your projects, then you need to simply prepare something. For example, I got an image down here. You will find out in the project panel. Okay, you can see there is a space here. This is actually the places you put your footnotes into the After Effects. Okay, for example, I got an image here. You just drag down there. See here. Then they have an image. Okay, when you click, they will have a preview down there. You can also I think this was kind of like a video. You can drag in there also. See here. Then you have a video tag. Okay, so you can drag multiple things down there. Okay, we'll talk about all kind of footnotes files we use later. Okay, and then this is composition. See here. This is actually really new concept. What composition works is kind of like the canvas of in Photoshop. Okay, you need a space to work on your drawing graphics. Okay, so the way to do it, you just go to composition and create new composition. Then you can set up your composition. Okay, for example, I give a name like composition 1. That's pretty good to me. And this some preset. You have some preset. It's about the size or something like that. I think the default is pretty good. And the resolution, you can define the resolution of it and how long you want them to be. Right now 10 seconds. Okay, for example, I can change them back to like 5 or something like that, right? And for example, I change to 9. Okay, things like that. Then you change to 9 seconds. You can definitely click OK. When you click OK, see here, use the roller of your mouse. You can roll it, you can zoom in and zoom out. Okay, easy. So this is your canvas. Okay, there's some buttons here. For example, how many percentage you want to show or things like that. We'll talk about this more in detail later. But right now, you just understand you need a canvas so you can work on it. For example, this is the image, right? You just drag in there. See here, just put it down there. Okay, and you can delete them also. So this composition and the panels down here is another tool panel. You can get some effects. You can get this alignment. These like libraries, paragraph, character, all kinds of settings panels to do that. And this space is all about time. Okay, there are a bunch of concepts associated with it. You just understand this is about time, how to control the time and transition. These are where the dynamics, animation coming from. Okay, the motion coming from. Also, you have toolbar. Actually, there's not that much tool in After Effects. I should say. For example, this selection tool, this hand tool, zoom tool, rotation tool. Unified camera tool. This is when you're gonna use 3D things. I'm not gonna talk about this right now. Pan behind tool. This is a rectangle tool. Basically the same tool in Illustrator. It's help you to draw shapes. Okay, and you have to. But the difference with this one is this pan behind. You can change the anchor. Okay, for example, if anchor was here, and if I rotate it, then it will rotate with this anchor point. Okay, the same with Illustrator. You can press shift to do some more contoured changes. Okay, so you can make them back to the center also again, and when you rotate it, it's around the center. Okay, pretty cool. Also, pen tool, type tool, brush tool, all these is kind of the same. Okay, it was the same with the Illustrator, and there is a roll tool, brush tool, or pin tool. We'll talk about this later. Okay, but just understand that you can draw things in here. Okay, this pen tool, see here, you can draw things. What's cool was when you draw things, see here, one click, there are actually some things created automatically in here. Okay, what we call here is a layer. Okay, so in a layer you can have multiple objects. Okay, right now we have a shape, which is this one, shape 1, and rectangle here. Okay, you can like click new ones, for example, and click ellipse, and then see here they create a new one. Okay, so just understand you have layers, and you can drag them up and down. You can press enter. You can change names as much as you want. Okay, you can hide them if you want. Okay, and there are some patterns in here. You don't need to worry about today, but just understand you can draw things on here, and it is what's in the layer. Okay, that's all you need. So pretty cool today. I just want you guys just open the software, create a file, pull stuff down there, and understand. No, there's layer and something or others. Okay, so that's it for today. We'll see you next time.